Welcome back to our channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see or view your TikTok profile. So let's dive into our TikTok. You go here, you come to open your TikTok, and then click on it. When you click on it, so now you can click on profile menu here, and you click on use your three lines. Click on three lines in, and you come to this your settings and privacy. Then you come to account. Okay, sorry guys, we come to this your privacy and scroll down here to viewers. Click on the viewers and click on this and open it. So you can see if you turn this on, see who view your profile in the last past days and which followers view your post within 7 days of the post date. So if others have this turned on, they'll also see that you fill their profile or post. So this is it. So whatever you wanted to see who view your profile, just make sure you fill these viewers, you fill it on, and then you can now come back to your settings and click on this thing that look like a foot. Click on it, and then you're going to see who view your post. I haven't added anything, I haven't posted anything yet. So this is where you see the history, your other viewer history is where you see the history of those who view your post for the past 30 days. So this is it. So just make sure that you turn that one on. Whenever once you have turned it on, you'll be able to see all your profile viewer here. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.